Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to another market analysis video. In this video, I'm going to share a few stocks that you can trade for intraday. So let's get started. As you can see, this is the 15 minutes time frame of UltraTech Cement, and the stock is respecting a trend line very nicely, and it has not been able to close above the trend line even once. So what you can do is, if the stock sustains above and closes above this trend line, what you can do is you can take a long entry, and for targets I'll just mark the level. Okay, this can be your first target, and you can consider this level as your final target. Okay, for short side I'm not going to give any trade as of now, because below this level it doesn't look good for a short trade, so only for a long trade I'm giving this one. Moving on to the next one, we have Hero MotoCorp. As you can see, the stock has formed a double bottom pattern over here, and it is on a neckline, right? So once the stock sustains above this level, a long entry can be taken, and this level can be considered as the target. I'll just check how big this is. 2% is very big, so you can consider this level as your first target and this level as your final target. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have DLF. Again, as you can see, it is respecting a trend line very nicely. Right, I'll just zoom out and check if we have anything else over here. No, we just have a level. Okay, it's respecting the trend line very nicely. So what you can do is you can just wait for the stock to give a breakout, and let's see if we can make a zone over here. Yes, so if the stock breaks out and sustains above this level, long entry can definitely be taken. And I'll just check for the levels. This is 2%. Again, 2% is very big for intraday, so you can consider this level as your first target and this level as your final target. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have Kotak Mahindra Bank. Okay, Kotak Mahindra, as you can see, it is on a level, and the stock consolidates a lot when it's near this price point, right? So you can consider this as a bottom and this as the second bottom. So once the price goes up, you can just wait for it to close above this level. Once it closes above this level, long entry can be taken. You can consider this level as your target, 0.7, and this level as your final target. Okay, for short side, just in case it sustains below this level, a short entry can be taken, and you can consider pivot as your target. Like I always say, 1% target is enough for intraday. Moving on to the last one, we have HDFC. HDFC, as you can see, it has formed a flag and pole pattern, right? This can be considered as the flag and this as the pole. So what we can do is I'll just draw a level over here, and this looks like a very good level. Also, do we have a trend line? Yes, we do have a trend line over here. So what you can do is, if the stock sustains above the trend line, a long entry can be taken. We can consider this level as our first target. I'll just check how big this is. This 0.6%, very small, so you can consider this level as your final target. Okay, if the stock sustains below this level, a short entry can be taken, and you can consider this level as your target. Okay, first target and second target. So this is it for the video, guys. I have given how many 5 stocks that you can trade intraday tomorrow. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video.